Hello and welcome back to Languedoc Property Finders. If you don't know who we are an international estate agency. We are based in the sunny south of France in the département of the Hérault. And we're based in the historic town of Pezenas, which is spelled Pezenas. Today, we are featuring two properties. There's a 2-bedroom property where I'm standing now and a 3-bedroom property next door that are both been created from a barn. So they're barn conversions, just completed. Very, very, very high spec finish, which is fantastic, something we don't see that often here to this degree. Both come with their own private gardens and swimming pools. So we're going to start off in the smaller of the two, the 2-bedroom property, and I'm going to start you out the back in the garden here with the pool. So you've got a fully automated pool, that is to say there's an automatic monitoring of the pH of the water and dosing of a product to maintain the pH of the water, which is very important. So we've got a really nice garden. We had a bit of frost here the other day and a couple of the plants have died off, which is a shame, but really, really nice garden. Beautiful attention to detail with the property. As I say, it's a 2-bedroom property. We're in the village of Saint-Geniès-de-Fontaine. Now, don't worry if you can't figure out how to spell that. If you look below the video in the description, you will see full details. There'll be a link, there'll be a description of the property, and it'll tell you where we are, etc. But essentially, we're sort of in between the towns of Pezenas and Béziers. It's a really nice garden. The other side of the wall in front of us, by the way, is a very small little car park area, which is great. So you don't have any houses there. And I need to point out the attention to detail here. So I don't know if you can pick this up or appreciate this, but look at how these stones are cut. Look at this finish. And look at how this beautiful travertine stone has been cut and finished. And I need to point this out. I want to point this out because this is really, really high level and we don't see things this good this often. So because I'm sort of doing this video backwards, that is to say I normally start at the front door and work my way back. We've gone up a half landing and we're straight into the living area. So that's where we began. Straight into the living area. So as I said at the beginning, this is a conversion of a barn, one of 2 properties next door to each other. Make sure you stick around to the end of the video because there'll be a link on the screen to take you to the video for the larger of the 2, the 3-bedroom. But for now, 2-bedroom property, and here on the raised floor, or the first floor, we've got the main living space. So the idea here is that you'd have your sort of sitting area over here. Then along this wall, you'd have your kitchen. Beautiful original beams. So you'd have your kitchen along there, and then perhaps here you might have a breakfast table, which could be rather nice. So the builder has decided to leave the choice of kitchen to the buyer rather than make a choice. The properties are fully air conditioned and it's a fully ducted system, so all that you see throughout the property are these small vents, and all the workings are tucked away behind the plasterboard walls. So we've got new construction, okay? So we've got an old shell of a barn, new construction, which, very importantly, comes with a 10-year guarantee. That's pretty good. So on this floor, we've got a very nice shower room with toilet. Beautifully finished. Again, a really nice example of a lovely original wooden beam. Good sized shower room. Next door to that, we've got a double bedroom. Again, if you go to the description below the video, there will be a link to full details on our website. Let's make our way downstairs. Now, this house has got sort of half levels. So what I mean by that is the level we're going down to, let's refer to this as the ground floor. The level I've just come from is the first floor, and the garden is a kind of a half level in between. So you've got another double bedroom here. This room has got a bit of a storage cupboard or wardrobe, closet, whatever you want to call it. Useful space in here. And this room has got an ensuite shower room with toilet. So these properties would work very well as a full-time residence, but also very well as a holiday home, because them being a new build effectively with a 10-year guarantee, you're going to have pretty much hassle-free ownership, which is really, really nice. So we're still on the ground floor, following the hallway around. That's your front door, which I'll have a look outside in a second. And then you've got a very generous garage. And one of the nice things about this is that the garage has been tiled and decorated out so that you could absolutely see this as another room, not necessarily a garage to bring a car into, but another room. So you've got plumbing and electrics over there, so if you wanted to put a washing machine, a fridge, whatever you want to put in there, I could see this as a really nice home office or a games room or a studio room or another sitting room, whatever you want it to be, or just as a very smart garage. And then if I just have a quick look outside of the front door, just to give you an idea of the entrance here. So we've got a shared entranceway here. Again, beautiful attention to detail. And next door is the front door to the other property, the larger of the two. Okay, so just as a quick recap, 2-bedroom property, beautifully finished, ready to walk into, excellent condition, 10-year guarantee, fully air conditioned, all new construction, all new roof, lovely village, easy access to both Béziers and Pezenas, and a private garden with that fabulous pool. So that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Make sure you look for the link on the bottom of the screen or below in the description, which will take you to the video for the other bedroom, the other property, sorry. and I'll see you on the next one.